Alright, talking about 25th of July, finally. कुछ मुझे नजर आ रहा है रीसेट एंड रिन्यू. मैं गलत हूँ कि ये सही जा रहा है? What you going to say?
You're never wrong, Amit. You're always right. क्योंकि Moon is in Sagittarius, Dhanu Nakshatra,
Okay. Okay.
the archer, taking aim, setting your sights high, creating goals in your life. And कौन से नक्षत्र में बैठे हैं? By the evening, he's going into Moola. Now, Moola is like a bunch of roots. It's going to the root of a problem. So when the moon enters Jupiter ruled, expansive, larger than life, the Pollyanna, optimistic energy of Sagittarius, पूरा जो है ना आपको recharge कर देता है. Life is good. Everything can happen. See, he brings this optimism into your life today. Please receive it. Be open to receive this beautiful energy of
Okay.
Sagittarius and Jupiter. Now, the shift into Moola Nakshatra, okay, is a signal for what? To root out those illusions. जहाँ पे आपने वो rose tinted glasses पहन के आप life को देख रहे हो, थोड़ा सा उसको wipe कर दीजिए and see, okay, it's actually like this.
Okay.
And see, Sagittarius always gives you the hope that you can clear this away. Don't be afraid. If suddenly कोई illusions है, वो crash हो जाए, आपने गलत aim लिया है, it's all right. It's all right. The archer has an unlimited stock of
Right.
arrows to shoot. You
Right.
will reach your aim. Now, today is the day to root out illusions and seek that truth. Set yourself free, my friend. Set yourself free. Saturn is kind of immobile today. It's not moving. That's what we perceive it as from Earth.
Acha.
Because he is still retrograde. He is going to nearly be frozen in place in Meena Rashi, which is Pisces, just 48 hours before he goes backward. Now, I want to give you one good thing about Saturn
Okay.
going retrograde. People are very scared about it. Are Saturn vakri ja raha hai. You know, when Saturn goes retrograde, his powers of constricting and restricting are reduced a bit.
Acha. Yeah.
So let's all hope we get a second chance. Now, this creates a very heavy energy about karma. Huh? Overdue karma, especially. Agar go back, think, what have I forgotten? Please, please, please. Today, you need to get into that mode of fixing what you have vowed. The vrat,
Okay.
your vachan are very important today. Finish it off.
Okay.
Now, for the next 4 months, okay, they say today is the day. They call it a Deva Shayani Ekadashi. Now, this is very complex. You don't have to
Okay.
understand it.
Yeah.
But they say Lord Vishnu, the preserver of this universe, is going to go into his deep slumber to
Okay.
heal us, to preserve goodness on earth. He takes rest. So, for the next 4 months, while he's dreaming up our new cosmic blueprint,
Acha.
I want you to do your best to create some kind of a simple routine,
Okay.
which is more sattvic. Whatever you wish, man.
Acha.
Whatever you wish. You want to clean up your diet, what are you consuming, what you're speaking, you decide it.
Acha.
You will receive a huge karmic reward if you can do that. Rest, recalibrate, mirror him, what he is doing. A bit of meditation, lesser medication, good food, staying away from gossip. This will give you the massive karmic rewards. Now, sleep early, no overexertion. Chill, man. Vishnu ji is taking his rest. Mirror him. Tum bhi chill karo, yaar. Dream your beautiful life.
Wow.
Set your intentions. Write down your dreams. Give your nervous system a much needed break from the digital world. If you're overly just doom scrolling all day long, I need to do that.
Wow.
We need to stop. Now, avoid making impulsive financial decisions. Mars, Uranus is kind of irritating Taurus.
Acha.
Taurus is money. The stock market is the bull. That's the symbol of the stock market, my friends.
Wow.
Don't make aggressive decisions. If you have liquid wealth, don't say, I'll put it here. No. Don't panic and sell your stocks. Don't do it. Don't do it. Please don't do it.
Right.
Now, revenge shopping. This is a thing. Did you know
Oh,
that?
revenge shopping.
You're angry. I will go shop and, make my bank balance zero. This is for me.
I like it.
Lending money out
Okay.
of guilt. All right?
Okay.
Be wary of that too. And any housewarming, griha pravesh, thoda sa aap postpone kar dijiye, or even important corporate launches. Today is not the day for that.
Right. Awesome. एक और क्वेश्चन था, जल्दी से अगर आप बता सको. मेरे पे 2 क्वेश्चन है और 2 मिनट हमारे पास. If you could recommend
Sure.
one daily habit that has helped, genuinely helped your life, you in your life, improved your life, what would it be?
One daily habit would be to at least spend 5 minutes in a day. It can be 1 minute. You decide. Speaking something good which I have. What I mean to say is recalibrate your vibration to gratitude. Thank you for this meal,
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Thank you for this outfit I'm wearing. Just gratitude. You will see the shift in your life. I promise you.
Wow, wow, wow. एक क्वेश्चन